but this won't work. So let's do one thing. Let's add all the information, or I can also show you a tip which will help you do it faster. So now you can just take a screenshot of this. Okay, a proper screenshot. And now you can go to Photoshop, press Creative, Control V8, make it bigger. And this time don't press Shift. So now you can just take this image sharpen tool, and now you can just sharpen it. That should look good. And now you can remove some stuff from here, from the corner. So just like this, and delete it. And now you have this. So now you can go back to Illustrator by copying this. So now you can just go back to Illustrator and take a screenshot of this again after doing the stuff. And now you can go back, Control V it again, and now you can bring this on the side and work on it. Now I have this on the side. Take a pen tool and trace it. Trace it again, trace it, and now can't see. So now you can just do this and add curve over here. So now select the picture and this and Control Z, Control 7 I meant, sorry. And now you can just put this on the corner. That's better. Because instead of manually adding all the information using but for that you'll have to go to Google and then search for all of that. But it's easier for this. That's it. So now we can make this a bit the blending mode, change the blending mode again to make it match. Hard light. No, multiply, no, hard light. No. Or just I'll tell you, yeah, yes, I was looking for this one. It looks good. So that's good. So lighten, I close lighten. So this looks good, yes. So now it's done. Let's make it a bit bigger. That's it. That's done. So this much is done. And now we have to add one big picture over here. So for that, we can just add a circle. You just copy the previous ones. Actually, just add a new circle like that, and add it on the corner side. Make it a bit smaller, more. That's it. And now we have to add an image in there. So to do that, we'll select an image from here. Is that this image? Copy image. Go back to Illustrator or V. Make it bigger. High quality image, by the way. And click this, and again swap it. So pick this, Control Shift, and then you just do that square brackets again to make it back, and Control 7 again. So now you can just fix the image from here. That's it. And now you can add this image on the corner like that. So this much of his image will fit, and we can add the same. First I can group it, and add the same blending mode over here. Put in front, and we'll just make this a bit smaller. Yes, perfect. That's how you make the brochure. So, but before that, you have to add some lines. So select the pen tool, come on the line area right here, add the lines, and then come back, click on the line, make it thicker, and that orange color will stay. So now we can just keep on adding the lines wherever we need, and that's the only place we need the line. So that's how you make the brochure, and yeah, that's how you make the brochure. And in the next class, we'll learn how to add a mock-up of the brochure we made. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.